In the Nagar Mountains of Gilgit-Baltistan, a massive avalanche turned a valley into a glacier of snow, a fascinating reminder of the ferocious power of nature. Don't worry, everyone is fine. The power of nature is majestic and terrifying. It's not always safe to stay close to the water's edge on every beach.
Wow!
Sta muovendo tutto, adesso parte. Sta partendo.
The landslide was slow but unstoppable, gradually sweeping away countless trees in its path. Oh my God, I never thought I would see this with my own eyes. Thank God he had run out of luck for the day.
Whoa!
As an unexpected gift from nature, a violent storm in Bozeman, Montana, on the 8th of June, 2024.
I can't do the control.
Hello everyone. These dramatic scenes were recorded on May 31, 2025 a province in China. Unfortunately, some houses along the riverbank were destroyed. Residents hoped the storm would dissipate, or at least change course before hitting their communities. Instead, it was ready to sweep away everything in its path. Viewer's home camera shows the violent storm rolling through York County. I really dare not imagine how strong this flood is. It is best that we keep a safe distance and do nothing to impede its power and path.
Olha pra mãe do Vic.
This footage captures a landslide that occurred in Germany in 2011. On the 9th of October, a severe storm hit southern India. Have you ever wondered what happens when Mother Nature gets angry? Subscribe to our channel and find out. Horrifyingly, in just a moment, the house in Hubei province on the 6th of July, 2024 became a helpless victim to the fierce power of nature. That's why you shouldn't build your house close to or near mountains after witnessing the landslide in La Paz, Bolivia. What happens when you encounter a tornado in real life? Comment and share your views. Oh no! The terrifying moment. A landslide destroyed homes on a hillside in Tennessee. It felt like the world was falling apart. Strong winds and heavy rains hit a high-rise construction site in Chicago, sending debris flying like a natural nightmare. In the area in its own mysterious way. Sumner Beach is covered in dust after a cliff collapse. It's as if nature is cleaning. Oh, the whole of Anchorage shook in the earthquake on Friday morning. Remember to stay away from windows and seek shelter immediately. The guy over there doesn't seem afraid. The dams are built to withstand huge resistance, but look at what's happening. Do they still have the strength to hold up? I bet you initially thought this was a peaceful scene, right? But you might be mistaken. That's scary.
Là hòa sĩ cho là một số sự kiện thật cái đêm nhà tôi muốn sai tao tôi nên để cho vị đi cha nó nên cho bỏ được xuống nên sẽ nó nên một số rất là rồi nên nói cho vị trưởng và nhớ học chế là nhiều trường nhớ tôi thằng tí.
Are you okay with turning your house into a boat and taking it away? That, I was quite surprised about the Canadian National Railway Bridge network. Look at its magnificence. If you find these houses cute, please leave number 1 inch the comments. A severe winter storm covers the entire town with a thick layer of snow. Great! San Diego's spectacular fireworks display truly creates a moment of chilling beauty. Exciting moment captured by visitors of the moving artificial sun. They must have been made by skilled craftsmen. I wonder where I can buy them. Oh my God. Looks like this couple's romantic dinner almost turned into a thrilling dinner. Looking at the terrain around this driver was lucky enough to film an attacking dust tornado of gigantic proportions. This phenomenon is very similar to the path from Earth to heaven, although a more reasonable explanation is needed for that. Sometimes we forget that the scariest disaster movies can be inspired by such real-life events. Oh my God. It seems like those lightning bolts have no intention of harming anyone. They're just trying to join in the soccer game with your family. I couldn't help but laugh, because in the excitement of capturing the hailstorm, the girl suddenly exclaimed, "Oh damn," as the hailstones crashed down, shattering her window. Do you see what's happening? His fishing efforts today are like pouring straight into the sea. This guy probably isn't aware that there's a huge wave right behind him. Don't look back if you don't want to. Oh my goodness, I told you so.